how to fix Android phone stuck in recovery mode. So guys, if you have the phone, this kind of phone like mine, maybe Android, well, preferably Android because this is the tutorial for it, and you can't access your phone, you're just, stuck in a loop where just stuck in recovery mode and you can't actually use it. Let us go through the simple ways you can fix this. Alright, so first up guys, make sure to check if maybe your buttons, like your volume buttons or your power button, is stuck. Sometimes when the phone is old, when you're overusing it or something, and you have used buttons for a long time, sometimes they can become stuck. And when you're pretty much starting your phone, it's stuck in the recovery mode because it's pressing on some of the buttons, say the volume buttons for example, or the power button on its own. So if that's the case, firstly make sure to check it out. If it's the case, if you have the case on the phone itself, just remove it, just remove the case and see if the buttons are stuck, and unstuck them if possible. And then if everything's fine, you should just reboot your phone normally. So in my case, I will show you, I just need to long press on my phone like this. Then as you can see, I have this little menu pop up, and then I can just restart reboot, just scroll down, and then I can reboot my phone. Also, if your phone is discharged, that may be the issue. So just go ahead and open up your battery settings. Let me do that. Where's my battery? There you go. So this is my battery settings, and check if you have the charge on your phone. And if it's not charged, well, that's pretty much the reason why it doesn't boot up. And the last resort is you can try a factory reset. So to do that, you need to turn off your phone. Once again, you just long press on the power button. And as you can see, I don't know if you see it on the camera, there's going to be a power off. So I need to swipe up and then power down my phone. And then you just long press on your power button like this, and then on the volume down button. All right, and then you get into the recovery mode. And then I won't show you, I just don't want to mess up my own phone because this is also a work phone. Then you just scroll until you see a function, as you can see, the wipe data and factory reset inside of your recovery mode, and then confirm. And also make sure to remember that all of your files and programs and data will be reset and lost. So make sure that you've backed your stuff up. If there's nothing important, then of course you can just proceed with it. And these are the fixes for you guys. If there's an issue with your firmware that is quite difficult to fix, and that's a subject of a completely different video. But in order to fix the common issues, hopefully these will help. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.